In today's video, I'm going to teach one of my favorite moves I do. It is a variation off of the Werm by Dan and Dave Buck, and it looks a little something like this. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another tutorial. First time I saw this variation performed, it was done by Daniel Huckins. In this variation, it makes the move look so much more flashy and look a lot harder than it actually is. In today's video, we'll be using the black and blue checkerboards by anyone. If you guys would like to pick this deck up for yourself, you can pick it up at xdecks.com or the first link in the description. Before we move on to the tutorial, be sure to give this video a like and be sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so let's get straight into the tutorial. Again, I'll be using the Anyone black and blue checkerboards. And this is what the back design looks like. It's really cool. Alright, so this is what the move looks like from your point of view. Alright, to start off, you're going to hold the deck in your non-dominant hand with your pointer finger here, middle, ring, pinky, thumb, just like so. Alright, from here, you're going to come over with the other hand. You're going to move your pinky to this long edge with your middle, ring, and pinky. You're going to come over with your right hand, and then what you're going to do from here is you're going to break into the Z grip. It looks like this. Now, if you don't know how to do that, what you do is you grip your thumb at the bottom, middle at the top. You're going to break off a packet, or break around half of the deck, and then from the top with this finger, break off another packet. Just like this. Now from here, you're going to do two things at once. First, you're going to re-grip, okay? You're going to bring your pinky back where it was before. And at the same time, you're going to break off another packet with your middle. All right, from the beginning, deck in your non-dominant hand. Move your pinky to the side. Come over, thumb at the bottom. Pick off around half the deck or so at the top. And then break off a third or so of the top packet. All right, from here, put your pinky at the bottom. At the same time, you're going to break off another packet like this. From here, you're going to be holding this packet between your index and your pinky like this. You're going to grip this packet with your thumb like this as you connect the 6 of spades packet with your pinky. And this is what is going to help give that worm look. From here, use your index to push a card forward like this. And it's going to pivot along your middle finger like this. And from here, you could give the 5 packet display. How you close this, you put the ace of diamonds packet right here. Then you're going to be executing a scissor cut. This packet is going to fall back like this between your ring and your pinky like this. Pick off around half the deck, break off another packet with your index, reposition your pinky, and then from here, use your thumb, left thumb to contact the middle packet, break off another packet. Try to make the bottom packet a little smaller than the top. It's going to make it easier. So this packet is going to make contact with your pinky. You're going to be pivoting this Queen of Hearts packet between your thumb and your pinky. Now from here, you're going to use your index. You're going to push on the top right corner. You're going to push one card off like this. And then now you got the 5 packet display. Now, this is what I like to do. I like to do this motion. So with this, you're just going to be pushing it back and forth like this. And then you're going to be doing this. With the 5 spades packet, you're just going to be pivoting between your pinky and your thumb. And then with your thumb, you're going to be making this motion, sort of like you're trying to make a scissor cut. All right, drop the 3 of clubs packet. Pretty much drop this packet. Perform the scissor cut. Before you close this scissor cut, you're going to drop this 4 of spades in between the two, like this. Now from here, you could close the scissor cut, then you could just drop the last packet right on top. Now here's a slow-mo performance of what it looks like. Now, before you extend, I like to come up, close it a little bit, make it small, then I open everything up. Drop it like this, and when I go make this motion, that's when I open the scissor cut. Drop it, you get to close it, then you just drop it on top. Here's a different ending you could do. Instead of like this, you could do, instead, everything's the same up to the display. You drop the middle packet like this, like you would before, but instead of just executing the scissor cut, do this. Drop it, then you just drop the scissor cut like this. Put your thumb like this. Just a different closer for you guys. Just a different idea. So you got this closer. Then you got this one. I like how the last one looks. If you guys need a more in-depth tutorial for the scissor cuts, I'll be more than happy to teach it in the future. In the meantime, I'll find a tutorial and leave in the description. Alright, that is the tutorial. Now time for some slow-mo performances. Well, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are not able to do the worm variation. It is a really fun move. Again, if you guys like to pick up this deck for yourself, you guys could be sure to head over at xdex.com. If you guys enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like and be sure to hit those post notifications because we post tutorials every other Tuesday. If you guys have a move you guys would like for me to teach in my next tutorial, be sure to leave it down in the comments down below. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye and God bless.